Today we're going to be working on Peavey Classic 30. This is my first video, so bear with me. I'm sure the framing is going to suck and I'm not going to have really much of a clue what to say, but let's start with the obvious on this. The customer brought it in. I don't really have a complaint, I don't think. Let's see. Thanks for working on a Classic 30. Bought it used for my daughter. It's cutting out intermittently. I'm not sure if it's a tube problem, transistor problem, bad solder connection, etc. Hopefully you can figure it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Well, let's start with the obvious. If you can see this, right there, you can see 3 of those vacuum tubes have the white cloud of death in them. And what that is, whenever you see that, it means that your vacuum tubes have lost their vacuum. In other words, they are cracked. Oh, and that one there, you can see when I went to pull it out, it just took the sleeve right off of it. Oh my God, these are really busted up bad. Now, here's an example. You can see right there, if that's focusing, if I don't know if it is or isn't, but you can see there's a crack right at the base of that tube. So there's really not too much of a need to go too deep into this one. But let's make sure everything else is good before we call the guy up and tell him what it's going to cost. I don't seem to have any more EL84s on the shelf, so we're going to have to run it. Look at that, 2 pins came out of that one. So we're going to run it with the one tube that looks like it might, and I doubt it is. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that is discolored, and that's discolored because that tube is bad. So really, with this one, I can't go much further until I get a set of tubes. So, well, for a first video, it was a short one. I hope you enjoyed it. When I get the tubes in, I will make another one, and we'll go into the sample. I'll show you how to take it apart and what to check for. Bye-bye now.